Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do your sharp whitening soap or snow white soap, and this soap is very effective. You can do yours at home, try it and leave your comment in the comment section. I'm using 2 of tamarind kojic soap, which fades out stretch marks, dark spots, sunburns, and consists of arbutin plus, vitamin E plus, kojic acid plus, and glutathione plus for silk and smooth skin. 2 of extra beauty herbal whitening soap, which is made with papaya and honey, and it is enriched with vitamin C and vitamin E. 6 packs of kbrothers papaya soup. This soap can be used alone in treatment of dark spots, stretch marks, and so on, and it can be used with other soaps for whitening mixture too. And this is our Ghana colored ozone soap. We have blue and pink too. 3 days whitening balls from Ghana. Anti-pimples balls. So we are going to grate all the soaps together and do our mixture. Please stay glued to your seat as I do the tutorials, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. You can leave video ideas under the comment section. Oh, our soap base is ready. I'm adding whitening powders to my soap base. Soap mixture is super effective, and you can see results in less than 5 days if you have sensitive skin. But if you have a stubborn skin, let's say maybe 7 to 15 days, you will see your visible results. Some Filipino set into the soup. Adding essential oils. Adding whitening cream booster. I'm using Gluta white liquid soap for proper mixture and consistency, and you can use any liquid soap of your choice too. I'm adding a bit more of the liquid soap for proper incorporation. After adding your liquid soap, make sure you mix very well. After mixing, I'll leave it overnight for a day or two. This is how the soap looks after 2 days. So I'll use a hand mixer and mix it very well again. Please like this video, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. I have amazing videos on my channels. Please check them out and please keep on supporting your girl. Thank you all. Bye.